Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited today because I got a ring light and I just feel like it makes everything 1,000 billion trillion zillion times better. So I got my ring light off of Amazon. I'll go ahead and link where I got it in the description box. I believe I only paid like right at $90 for it. It's a 14-inch ring light. It has a full stand. You can hook your camera, you can hook your phone to it. It's absolutely amazing. This is the brand and the box that it came in. It shipped very fast. I ordered it on Thursday or Friday. I want to say Friday. And it is Wednesday today, so it took less than a week to get here, which is pretty impressive. One thing that I'm so happy about this ring light is that it has its own like tripod stand that I can put my camera on, and it holds everything, so that makes recording a whole lot easier because I did not have a tripod stand. I was just putting my camera like on a whole bunch of makeup piled up or like a shoebox or something, you know. So now that I actually have a tripod stand and I have amazing lighting, I feel like this is definitely going to improve my videos. So stay tuned and I'll go ahead and show y'all the whole entire unboxing of my ring light. Okay, so this is my ring light right here. I ordered it on Amazon, so I will keep the link in the bio for y'all. I'm going to go ahead and open it so y'all can see what all it comes with. Okay, so we have a lot of stuff here. We have the NEEWER, I think it's pronounced, NEEWER packaging. I don't know what's inside yet, so we're going to go ahead and look in. But it also came with some cables, all these cables and a clicker, which I think is really cool because I think I can take photos just by clicking on it. I'm not sure. It shows a phone hooked up to it, so I'm hoping that my camera will hook up to it and I can take pictures that way. And it also came with this box. I'm going to assume that this is the tripod stand. So we have a little tripod stand. So in this NEEWER box, we actually have our ring light just right here. And then it also came with, I think these are called dimmers. Like you can make it warm light or cooler light, and change the intensity or dim it. And then we also have instructions on how to set this up. Of the instructions, gotta have instructions. And that's all that's in here. That is it. So we actually have it all set up right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So it is dimmable. So this is our ring light. Oh my god. I'm so excited. This is gonna be a game changer. And it has like a little tripod stand. It came with a clip where you can hook your phone up or put your camera in. So I'm really excited to use this. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, the description of the ring light is in my bio. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Instagram is right here. I also have Twitter and Snapchat, but I'm not really big on those. So go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. Like and subscribe, of course. And stay tuned till next time.